medium corner-to-corner action. I did. Go get him. Here we go. Yeah. 78, Josh Shaner. 14 of Bloomer. He's coming for you. He's coming for you, Bloomer. Oh, right to the tire. Shocked in the heart. And you're in pain. Yeah. Eric's like, you got my tire up. Yeah, I'm going to get you. Ring around the rosy. Here it comes. Yeah, fold that front end. Take that radiator out, guys. There's Boomer and Shaner. Boomer in the 14. Shaner in the 78. Oh, swing and a miss. He's got a flat tire in the 78. Come on, go get him. Don't hit that door, though. Watch it. All right. Ooh, wheel hop down the... Yeah, there's fire up, Shaner. Go get him. Oh. Playing games, Jerry. A little demo derby action. Oh, Derek slides and slideways. Little radiator fluke leaking out. Uh-oh, you gotta put her in gear. There you go. Granny slipping. Go get him! Oh yeah, off-road action. Thought that was that Granny. No, we're doing it with Wisconsin Valley Fair. Alright. Ooh. Wheel hop, hop, hop. Yeah. Come on, Derek. Go get Shaner. The battle of the Merrill contingents. Oh. Here we go. Playing cat and mouse. Go get him, Boomer. There's Boomer. He's coming for you, Shaner. Oh, yeah. Oh, stubbed her off. Stubbed her. Uh-oh, you're on the hot seat. Go get him, Shaner. He's sitting dead on the water. Come get him. Give him some. Yeah. All right. Come on, Bloomer. You're on the clock. Fire it up. Get her fired up. I want to see one more hit if he gets fired up. Come on, Shaner. I know you got it in you. There we go. Oh, don't stop it. All right, come on now. You got to give one good hit for us. You're going to win this thing. Bumper on bumper action. Oh, nothing, fool. Uh-oh, Derek. Nick got the arm. He's chopping you. Give him one. Don't try one of the tractor.